welcome back to Karma Lately. Thanks for joining me today. I know it has been a long time and unfortunately we are not living in the best of times. I know the entire world is basically on lockdown and we have to change our lives. I know that for a lot of influencers and YouTubers and the likes, people who are doing a lot of their business from home, there's not that much of an adjustment, except that we really shouldn't be going out for shopping unless it's vital things that we need. We shouldn't be congregating in groups of 10 or more. We should be diligent about our hygiene and how we're keeping our families and ourselves safe, especially if you have a compromised immune system or you have health issues. Like, we should all be responsible. And but I know that many of you are looking to YouTube for entertainment, and I'd like to share some of the stuff that I've been doing. So before the coronavirus, I've actually been really active and creating and doing things, unfortunately not on camera. And I've got a couple of things in the works. Now it's going to be delayed with some of the stuff that I did have planned to do, so you won't be getting that update until later. But I am going to show you some of the work that I've been doing here at home. I'm also going to link in the description my new blog page. I'll be trying to post there as often as I can as well. And some of the things that I'm going to be trying to sell as well. Now, I've been working on this for a long time, and just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing. Also, this is my daughter's YouTube setup that she has. She does a lot of beauty and hair care regimens and all of that. So I'm borrowing her corner for today until I get my YouTube corner in my room set up. So this is not going to be my setup for showing you guys for my show and tell. My setup is going to be at my art desk and in my bedroom. But just to say hello to you guys and also show more of my face, which I know is something that I've been asked to do more of. And so I'm just saying hello and showing you guys some of the stuff I've been working on. So there are some videos that I've done in the past with the newspaper straws, and I just want to show you what I've how that has evolved in my artwork. And I'm gonna start with this piece. So this is a box. I'm gonna take this out. This is a box. In this box was tea bags, these little tea packets for, it's got like pouches with crystals in it and for your tea. And I reinforced it on the inside with some more cardboard. And this is actually a piece of a record album sleeve, like the cardboard one. And I just collaged a whole bunch of magazine pages and just put it all over the box. And then I weaved the magazine straws and I weaved them into this basket. Now, it's not perfect. I did this little ring so you can pull the basket out of. So here's your basket. I put little dividers here. These are glued on, little magazine straw dividers, in case you wanted to like section it off. But that's the inside of the drawer. And the base of this was actually a cereal box, and this is still the cereal box. I think it was Reese's Pieces. And so this is how I make the best out of waste at home. I also think this is particularly appealing to a younger crowd. I think this is something like girls might want to put some makeup on here, maybe some brushes or whatever. It looks cute, it's trendy, and so that's one thing that I've been working on. Another thing is this artist journal. And this artist journal has newspaper. So there you'll see the newspaper is framing each page, and each page actually gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah. So I think it's really cool. So it's backed by 2 newspaper pages. It's backed by 2 newspaper pages. That's the backing of it. Let's take the smallest one so you can see it. So it's 2 newspaper pages, and I didn't glue them because I didn't want them to get too wrinkly, so I just put score tape on all the edges. And the base of each page is actually raw canvas. So there are artists that like to paint on raw canvas because when you say take acrylic paint and you paint it on raw canvas, it kind of gives this like watercolor vibe. And if you're trying to do like a vintage painting or vintage drawing with acrylic, you can actually achieve that by using your canvas raw. But you're more than free to just paint this with gesso, and I plan on doing a gesso tutorial soon. I'm sorry that I have not done that yet, but I do plan on doing a gesso tutorial soon. And you can just take your paintbrush and paint your gesso. You can also paint the newspaper itself if you decided you wanted each page to have like a different color. You can do that. But this is a very unique artist journal. If you've seen one like this before, please send me the link to it. I have not seen a newspaper, I have not seen an actual artist journal like this before. And I do have to toot my own horn with that one because there's so many things that are out there. And newspaper and magazine art is not new to the world. They're doing it all over the world in, I guess, every continent. Everyone's doing it. But when I create something from my imagination and I notice that it's not around, it's not on YouTube, it's not being sold on the market, I do revel in that, and I'm proud to say that. So this particular journal is not common, I'll say that. I'm not going to say it's never been done before. I've just never seen it. And it was a very unique idea. I also have been getting into doing some catch-alls. And this is one of the unique catch-alls that I decided to do. I did a wheelbarrow. And I just rolled up magazine, and it took some thinking and some constructing. Like, I had to really figure it out. Since I am a miniaturist, I was able to think of it as, okay, so you're doing a miniature wheelbarrow. Now figure out, the science of it. So I started looking at wheelbarrows online, and that's how I came up with this wheelbarrow. And it's pretty simple, and you can actually, it fits a couple of different things. If you wanted to have like some makeup on here, you could certainly put some makeup in there. And it's like a cute little addition. You could put this in the bathroom, you could put this in your bedroom, you could put this technically in any room of the house and make that your theme. So I am working on a whole bunch of different kinds of pieces like that, and I have many more to come. I didn't want to show them all in one video, so I'll be showing more of those. And I'll also be having some tutorials. This week will be show and tell, and I still have so much more to show you. I also, besides this newspaper and magazine straw art, I've also been creating regular art pieces, paintings and mixed media and stuff like that. All of my art, all of my pieces are from recycled material. At least they'll have anywhere between 80 to 100% made of recycled material. And so I'm very proud of that as well. And so I am enjoying this journey. I'm really glad that I got a chance to make this video, because I know that I haven't been posting, but I do plan on posting a lot more often. And with all the downtime that everyone has, I think creating content is something that you'll be seeing a lot more of on many channels. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please check out the links in the description. I'll be posting the links for my blog, also my daughter's YouTube channel, and yeah, I'm looking forward to the future. In the meantime, our present is in crisis. We are having a crisis worldwide, and so we just have to be supportive of each other. We have to be aware of our surroundings, and being as selfless as we can, so that we can protect all of those around us. Even if you're within the ages of whatever ages they said that where people are not at the highest risk, those are the people that need to be the most careful, because chances are you have access to people who are sick or people who are elderly, and you don't want to infect anybody around you. So just stay responsible, stay creative, stay positive, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.